Myself, Dhana Lakshmi, engineering graduate actually. I had before joining GUVI course, I had 2 to 3 years of experience in digital marketing. I had a career break because of maternity. Later, I couldn't get jobs because I don't have any updates. So that I decided to start the journey with GUVI. I did an advanced digital marketing course in GUVI for 6 plus months actually. Checked out some other reviews as well. Was mainly concentrating to know about the current trends, how AI took out marketing campaigns, how it works. That was the main goal to know. In my GUVI course, from a very basic question to the advanced tools and extensions, everything they have supported, as well as they gave separate links for tools, how to use every tools, AI tools, how to use Chrome extensions. Based on current trend, everything they have discussed in the syllabus and in classes. My mentor used to give a regular daily task system. When working practically, we had so much of clarification. That's what I more liked about GUVI training course. Like also they had recording sessions as well. Even if I miss the class, everything for a GUVI recording session has supported me. Before GUVI, I couldn't face any kind of interviews. Though even I had knowledge, I couldn't cope up with current trends or current interview process. But after GUVI, they helped out with with course also, as well as in placement also. In both sector, they helped out great. Academic support, it was compared to placement support, academic support was much better actually for me. To be very frank, I was hoping for placement actually. GUVI did it well. I got placed in very good company, which is a digital market agency. So I'm so pretty happy with that. It's great to learn actually from start to end with support. It's great work learning with GUVI actually. Even I will recommend to some third person, even if anyone is interested to learn a new course. As I said earlier, interview process. I was not with current trends. GUVI helped me with that all AI technology tools and AI extension tools. Even how to structure the interview questions. Before GUVI, placement was big trouble for me, but right now it's easy. I can face interview better well, I think. The confidence to work, I got that from GUVI learnings platform, so I'm pretty happy with that.